First, learn how to edit it and then from which website you can download it, which is copyright free. So let's get started. Open CapCut, click on import video, import your video. After importing, click on overlay, and click on the meme video. Then click on cutout, click on chroma key, select the green, then increase the intensity and click OK. Now properly adjust it. So let's play the video. So click on the green screen meme video and carefully adjust it. So I'll click on this, then click the meme video and properly adjust it. So now it's done. Play your video. Now from where you can download the meme. Open Chrome, right here green screen memes.com. Click OK. Click on these three lines. Click on top 100 and click on this Tug Life green screen. Click on download and it will download into your Google Drive, and then download it into your gallery and import into the CapCut as an overlay. So thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you wanted to be a professional in CapCut. Thanks for watching.